Hello guys, this is Kashish Bhanushali from IT department and today we are going to learn about text mining. So let's get started. What is text mining? So generally when we hear about the word mining, we all come across the meaning that is extracting something. So similarly, text mining, it is also known as text analytics, is the process of extracting useful information and insights from large volumes of unstructured data. It involves analyzing, understanding, and interpreting text using computational techniques and algorithms. Today, we'll delve into what text mining entails, its purposes, the process, and various methods employed, and its application across different domains. Now, let's learn more about it. So, what's the purpose of text mining? The primary purpose of text mining is to uncover valuable knowledge and insights from vast amounts of text. This can include identifying trends, patterns, sentiments, and relationships within the data that might not be immediately apparent. By converting unstructured text into structured data, organizations can make informed decisions, improve processes, and gain a competitive edge in their respective industries. It also helps us to know about processes such as customer feedback analysis, market research, sentiment analysis. So now let's get to know what is the process of text mining. So text mining is done through four major steps. First is data collection. The second one is pre-processing. Then it comes analysis of data and then finally the interpretation. So let's get to know this one by one. The first is data collection. By the word itself, we come to know that it means collection of relevant data. So, by doing this, we get to know about how the trends and patterns of the data are. We also can evaluate the performance, progress of the goals, and identify the areas of improvement. We can also make decisions by collecting the relevant data on the basis of the data present in the collection. And the next is pre-processing. So once the data is collected, it needs to be pre-processed. That is, certain tasks are need to be performed on them, like removing the irrelevant data, removing the noise, removing the outliers, removing the unused data or the data which is not required for us. So this is what the pre-processing involves. So now the next step after pre-processing is analysis. So once the pre-processing is done, the data is ready for getting analyzed. This involves applying various techniques and algorithms to extract meaningful insights from the text. So from analyzing the data, we come to know more about the data, which will help us to interpret the data and make conclusions. So we use some techniques to analyze the data. Few of them are sentiment analysis, topic modeling, text classification, and entity relations. So after the data analysis is done, the last step is interpretation. So, interpreting the results of the analysis to drive meaningful insights and actionable recommendations is interpretation. This involves understanding the insights gained from the data and using them to make informed decisions or draw conclusions. This is the final step of text mining process. And once this is done, we have successfully mined the text. We have already seen that how the process of text mining occurs. But now let's see the methods of text mining. The first one is text classification. Text classification involves categorizing text documents into predefined categories or classes based on their content. This is commonly used for tasks like spam detection, language identification, or document classification. Further, we will move to text pre-processing. So text preprocessing refers to cleaning and preparation of textual data before it is used for analysis or modeling. But this generally involves some other steps too, that is tokenization, that is breaking the text into smaller units such as words or sentences. The next is lowercasing, that is converting the text to lowercase to ensure the consistency in the representation of words. So moving forward, the next one is named entity recognition. Now we have named entity recognition. It is a natural language processing technique used to identify and classify named entities within text into predefined categories such as person names, organization names, locations, dates, and more. So it basically helps you to form a relationship and recognize the entity relationship within the data. Next, we have sentiment analysis. It is also known as opinion mining. It is a natural language processing technique used to determine the sentiments or opinion expressed in a piece of text. The goal of sentiment analysis is to classify the sentiment of a text as positive, negative, or neutral, and sometimes more fine grained sentiments such as strongly positive or mildly negative. Moving forward to the next slide, we have applications of text mining. Text mining has been used recently in various fields such as business intelligence, healthcare, finance, legal, and academic research. Now we'll see how it is used in social media analysis. Text mining is used to analyze large volumes of social media data, extracting insights, sentiment analysis, and identifying trends and patterns in user behavior. For an example, we can see that if we see a reel on Instagram and like or comment on it, we get to see more similar reels with the same sentiments regarding the reels. We can also see that it has been useful in healthcare data mining too. That is, text mining is applied to healthcare data to extract valuable information from medical records, clinical notes, and research papers. It helps in identifying patterns, trends, and relationships to improve patient care and outcomes. Now we'll see the conclusion. In conclusion, text mining plays a crucial role in extracting valuable insights and knowledge from unstructured text data. By leveraging computational techniques and algorithms, organizations can unlock hidden patterns, sentiments, and relationships within their textual data, leading to informed decision making and actionable recommendations. As the volume of textual data continues to grow the importance of text mining in various domains will continue to rise. Thank you.